Ciao my friends, nestled along the sparkling waters of the Adriatic Sea in the Emilia-Romagna region lies the city of Rimini, Italy. Rimini weaves together a vibrant tapestry of long sandy beaches, rich history, and a lively nightlife. With its allure as both a historical gem and a modern seaside resort, Rimini entices travelers with a unique blend of cultural exploration and beachside fun. Rimini's beaches are undoubtedly a highlight of the city, stretching for miles with soft sandy shores and inviting azure waters. Sun-seekers and water enthusiasts flock to the coast to indulge in moments of relaxation and engage in a variety of water activities. Whether it's basking in the sun, swimming in the refreshing sea, or partaking in beach games, Rimini's shores offer a perfect spot for unwinding and making cherished memories. Among the city's historical treasures, the Arch of Augustus stands proudly as a symbol of its ancient past. Dating back to 27 BC, this Roman arch marks the entrance to the Roman colony of Ariminum, and it stands as a testament to the city's deep-rooted history and the significance of Rimini during the Roman era. Another architectural marvel from antiquity is the Tiberius Bridge, a testament to Roman engineering that gracefully spans the Morecchia River. Built during the reign of Emperor Augustus, this iconic bridge has withstood the test of time, still connecting the past and present as a striking reminder of Rimini's Roman heritage. In the heart of the city, the Tempio Malatestiano, or Malatesta Temple, boasts a fascinating transformation from a Gothic cathedral to a Renaissance-style temple. This architectural masterpiece was commissioned by the powerful Lord of Rimini, Sigismondo Pandolfo Malatesta, adding to the city's historical intrigue and cultural significance. Amidst the ancient landmarks, Rimini's historic center exudes its own charm, inviting visitors to meander through its picturesque squares, narrow streets, and lovely cafes. As the sun sets, the city's central square, Piazza Cavour, transforms into a bustling hub of activity. Surrounded by historic buildings, lively cafes, and restaurants, the square serves as a social gathering place for both locals and visitors alike. An emblem of Rimini's seaside resort history, the Rimini Grand Hotel stands tall on the beachfront, showcasing its distinctive architectural style. The hotel serves as a tangible reminder of the city's evolution as a sought-after destination for travelers seeking a dose of relaxation and leisure by the sea. For a dose of amusement and cultural exploration, Italy in miniature offers a delightful experience. This unique amusement park features scaled-down replicas of famous Italian landmarks and cities, allowing visitors to embark on a miniature journey through the diverse wonders of Italy. As the sun goes down, Rimini comes alive with its vibrant nightlife scene. The city offers an array of clubs, bars, and beach parties, making it a magnet for partygoers seeking to dance the night away in a festive and lively atmosphere. Rimini's unique combination of ancient history, beautiful beaches, and lively entertainment options make it a truly captivating destination along the Adriatic coast. From exploring the remnants of its illustrious past, to basking in the sun-drenched shores, and indulging in the bustling nightlife, Rimini offers a delightful fusion of cultural exploration and seaside splendor that leaves a lasting impression on every traveler who ventures to its shores. Thank you for joining me in the beautiful Rimini, Italy. Please don't forget to show your support by liking and subscribing to my channel. Until next time, thank you for taking this journey with me throughout all of Italy and Sicily. I pray you have a great day. Ciao.